This is a 10-year-old nut and fruit food forest that's got a composition of American persimmons, black walnuts, different types of white oaks. These are mainly unselected seedlings, which are now being regrafted. So grow out the seeds, get a strong rootstock going, then come back and regraft them once they're established, and then start thinning them. So taking a mature persimmon at 10 years old, we're going to top work it, basically meaning we're cutting it back and regrafting it. Shown beautifully here by 85-year-old Dick Bittner, absolutely phenomenal tree planting mentor. Here he is putting the scion wood into the thin skin of the bark, what we call the cambium. By lining up the cambium in the scion wood with the cambium on that rootstock, when they begin to heal together, you get the best of both worlds. You'll get a strong rootstock and you'll be getting a known, given, tasty persimmon fruit.